Okay, my video is all done. I've got all the bits and pieces that I need for it. And now I want to send it out. Remember, you can't give a project file to me on Brightspace, because if you do, I can't look at it, because all of your project file is just a set of instructions that tells Premiere, put the cat's title here, put the music here, put this here. It's instructions. It's not the actual video itself. So I need you to give me the actual video. And the way you do that is by exporting it. So the way we're going to do that, I think, is we're just going to hit export and give it a quick moment here to figure its life out. I'm going to change its file name to something that makes much more sense, like cat video. Sure, why not? I'm going to click on my location here, and I'm going to stick it on the desktop because that just makes it nice and easy to find. I'm going to say save. Under preset, I'm going to use this one right here. Now, if you don't see it there, and you might not, you're going to hit more presets, and it'll give you a whole bunch of stuff here. Rather than trying to scroll through all that, I'm just going to type in YouTube, and there it is right there. And I've already obviously selected it, so it's good. It's in my list. So I'm going to use YouTube, 1080p Full HD. Ta-da, good. Format, leave it there. If it's different, put it on H.264. And lots of switches and knobs, which we're just going to ignore. And then we're just going to say export. There's also this option, and well, we'll ignore it. Why not? Let's ignore a lot of things. But let's hit export, and then it's going to sit here and export. Okie doke, done. My video was exported successfully. Wow. Okay. And now if I go over to my desktop, there's my cat video. And from there, I assume you all know how to get things uploaded to Brightspace. Congratulations, you're done.